are you students? I hope you are taking care of your health, right? As we know that today on this bright day, we are going to start with our new chapter. That is chapter number 14, Data Handling. Open your textbook on page number 159. Let's have a look on the video. So are my students ready on page number 159 of your textbook?
The handling data. The information collected in the form of numerical figures in a survey is called data.
Students, data means कोई भी चीजों को आप उसको नंबर्स में उसकी इंफॉर्मेशन कन्वर्ट करो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप अपनी कंपोस्ट बॉक्स में काउंटिंग रखते हैं that I have 4 pencils, 1 eraser, 1 sharpener, 1 red pen, 2 blue pens, 1 scale, I have 3 bats. अब इस तरीके से अपनी इंफॉर्मेशन आपका जो डेटा है आप वो कलेक्ट करते हैं. You have 6 pair of jeans and t-shirt. I have 4 pair of shoes. अब इस तरीके से आप अपनी चीजों को ट्रैक करते हैं. You keep a record of each and everything. That is data handling. कोई भी चीजों को आप अच्छे से रिकॉर्ड करते हैं. Let's have a look on this meaning. The information collected in the form of numerical, that means numbers, figures in a survey is called data. Data gives precise, exact and quick information. You don't need to count it again and again. आपको पता है आप स्कूल से घर जा रहे हो तो you at that time you have 4 pencils. So आपका वो डेटा precise रहेगा. Data can be presented in different ways, such as tabular form, pictograph, bar graph, etc. किसी भी चीज को प्रेजेंट करने के बहुत से तरीके होते हैं. You can use tabular method, you can use this graph method, you can draw a pictograph also.
Data gives precise, exact and quick information. Data can be represented in different ways, such as tabular form, pictograph, bar graph, etc. If we say that some students are absent in the class today, we don't get exact information. Let us suppose
If we say that some students are absent in the class today, we don't get exact information. If I say that out of the strength 40 in my class, some are absent, क्या मैं ऐसे बता सकती हूँ कितने absent है, कौन absent है? नहीं ना. I need to count my students. I need to see that who is present and who is absent. Let's suppose the information is given like this. We will see an example of it.
the information is given like this. Attendance record of class 4B in data 4 as follows. Number of students 50, present 45.
For example, in this you have given that the total number of students are 50 in my class. Present 45 are present in my class. 1 is absent and the remaining 4 are on leave. So now I can say how many are present, which student is absent, which student is on leave. This is the exact data. This is the proper presentation of some information. The information is now exact and easy to understand.
5 absent, 1 on leave, 4. This information is now exact and and easy to understand. Data in tabular form. One of the easiest ways to represent data is in the form of a table. Example 1. The information given below is about the number of bats produced.
The first method in which the data is presented, that is data in tabular form. One of the easiest ways to represent data in the form of a table. One of the easiest way, that is data presentation in data, that is tabular form. Let's have an example. The information given below is about the number of bats produced on different days of a week by ABC Bat Company. एक कंपनी है जो बैट मैन्युफैक्चर करती है, सो वो अपना रिकॉर्ड रखते हैं. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल मंडे को मैंने इतने मैन्युफैक्चर्स किए, ट्यूसडे को दिस मच, वेडनेसडे दैट, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे एंड सैटरडे. द कंपनी कीप्स द रिकॉर्ड इन अ टेबुलर फॉर्म.
Produced on different days of a week by a ABC Bat Company. Number of bats produced in a week. Day, number of bats produced. Total 455.
So students, this is the tabular format in which that ABC company presents the data. On Monday, 85 bats were produced. Tuesday, 70. Wednesday, 60. Thursday, 80. Friday, 70. And Saturday, 90. The total number of bats produced in a week are sum of all these numbers. So my answer will be 455.
By just a glance at the table given above, we can know many things about the production of bats in this company. For example, maximum number of bats were produced on Saturday. Minimum number of bats were produced on Wednesday.
By just having a glance on the tabular format, we come to know that the maximum numbers of bats were produced on Saturday. As you can see, that the production of bat was highest on Saturday, that is 90. And minimum was on Wednesday, that is 60. On Friday and Tuesday, the number of bats produced were same, that is 70.
The factory produced 455 bats in all. This is called interpretation of data. Example 2. Look at the table and answer the questions that follow.
Temperatures in some major cities of India. Date 10 December 2014.
City, maximum temperature in Celsius. Minimum temperature.
Students, this is your second example. In this we can see that the data is given in a tabular format. Cities, maximum temperature and minimum temperature. Some questions are given on that. We will be replying. Which city has the maximum temperature? Kolkata, based on the tabular data. Which city was the coldest? That is Srinagar. You can see that Srinagar has minimum 1 temperature. Okay. What was the minimum temperature of Delhi? 9 Celsius was the minimum temperature of Delhi. In which city the difference between the maximum and the minimum temperature was highest? R will not come in the highest. Kolkata had the highest difference between the maximum and the minimum temperature, which was 13 degrees. So students, after watching this, you come to know that how to read the tabular format and how to answer the question. Let's move to worksheet. So students, your homework will be, you will be writing the meaning of data. You will be solving your example number 2 in your notebook. So students, don't forget to send me the the Photoshop. Take care of your health. Bye students. God bless you.